Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Azan and I am a student of Paragon Academy Badin. Today I am going to talk about how to deal with the failure. So first thing, when a person faces a failure, he should not be depressed or stressed from it. He should face the failure. Most often when a child faces a failure in exams, his parents most often scolds him, his surrounding friends got degrade him, so he should face the failure whether it is on a high level or a small level. So second thing, that he has to accept the failure. He should not remain under the shelter of excuses. He should not give lame excuses that due to lack of resources, due to luck, he has been failed. He should consider his fault as well. He should accept that yes, that was his fault also. So third thing, he should learn from it. In our life, we often learn from our mistakes. And when a person faces the failure, he should point out what were the major factors, what were the major reasons due to which he has been failed. So after finding out the reasons, he should learn from it, should make better version of himself so that he can update himself and achieve the things more sooner. So fourth thing, we have to grow out of it. After learning our mistake, after correcting our mistake, after updating ourselves, now we have to work more harder than previous attempt so that we can gain our achievement as sooner as possible. So to conclude, first thing we have to do is we have to face the failure. Second thing, we have to accept the failure, and third thing, we have to learn from it, and fourth thing, we have to grow out of it. So remember one thing, and that accept what is and let go what was and focus on what will be in the future.